Kakeibo is more than a means of budgeting. It is a financial philosophy focusing on intentional, thoughtful spending and saving. While this may sound hard, it is quite simple to practice and adapt to your own lifestyle. Devotees and promoters claim that Kakeibo users may save up to 35% on monthly costs. Additionally, except for the purchase of a pen and paper, it is entirely free. Hey everybody, welcome to Millionaire Mind. Today, we're going to go over how this budgeting tool works. Make sure you watch till the end, because you would not like to miss your chance to discover this strategy to save money. So, what exactly is Kakeibo? It is a Japanese phrase that translates to family finance ledger. It is essentially a physical budgeting journal. Users respond to a series of financial questions and establish savings objectives. Then, they keep track of their spending, categorize their purchases, and examine them at the end of each month. The technique is similar to that of several budgeting applications, such as Pocketsmith and Digit. However, Kakeibo does not provide downloads, bank account linkages, or automatic notifications. Simply plain old-fashioned record keeping. More significantly, this budgeting tool is intended to encourage you to reflect on your connection with money and to comprehend why you make each purchase. Both Pocketsmith and Digit employ technology to track your spending patterns and give recommendations, which means they might be helpful as well. Once you've completed the initial setup, they operate on autopilot. Where did it come from? While Kakeibo is relatively new in the United States, it is a Japanese custom. Hani Motoko, a Japanese journalist, reported about the procedure in a 1904 women's magazine. Her readers, Japanese housewives in control of their household budgets, identified with the Kakeibo accounting system. When author Fumiko Chiba published the book Kakeibo, The Japanese Art of Saving Money in 2018, the movement swept the Western world. According to Chiba and other academics, it represents traditional Japanese values on the importance of saving money. Cash serves a ceremonial function. Children receive money as a holiday gift, and they are urged to keep it for worthwhile purchases. Adults also do not take money lightly. Compared to other nations, Japan has a cash-heavy economy. Credit cards, which permit frequent, large-ticket purchases, are not swiped nearly as frequently as they are elsewhere. How does Kakeibo work? First, get a ledger. Remember the old pen and paper? Kakeibo adheres to its early 20th century Japanese heritage by requiring actual handwriting. Bullet diaries are compelling, but any notebook or handwritten method that you can maintain will do. In the second place, calculate your monthly income and subtract fixed expenses. Then, get a savings goal for the month. Ideally, this desired amount will be deducted from the income remaining after fixed costs such as rent or mortgage and utilities are paid. Finally, make a list of your expenditure categories. Kakeibo identifies 4 pillars or expenditure categories. Needs. The bare necessities such as shelter, food, auto payments, and school debts. Wants. The purchases that are nice but not quite required. Takeout food, hobbies, entertainment. Culture. Any spending on cultural activities, books, museum fees, concert tickets, or TV streaming services. Unexpected, unforeseen costs such as medical bills or house repairs. Categorize everything you purchase. Arrange all of your purchases by pillar and add the purchase amount. The sorting procedure is the most beneficial aspect of Kakeibo. When you are forced to classify anything, you give it more attention than you would otherwise. Separating needs from wants proves to be more difficult than one anticipates. Occasionally, monthly or weekly, jot down your responses to the following questions. What kind of money do you have? What amount of money do you wish to save? How much money do you spend each month? What can you do to improve? The final question, how can you improve, is intentionally left open-ended. You are urged to consider and customize your response. Improvement does not have to mean finding methods to save money. It may mean spending money on more things you genuinely like, or save more for something you're looking forward to, and less on items you didn't appreciate as much. Alternatively, you may discover a way to avoid an expensive, unforeseen occurrence in the future. The final objective is to boost your savings. How is Kakeibo different from other budgeting systems? For starters, users manually enter budget items in real time. According to several kinds of research, handwriting enhances memory and is a peaceful, reflective practice. It takes longer to jot down the specifics of a purchase than it does to input numbers into a computer or phone. If physical handwriting is a problem for you, Kakeibo might be modified for a screen or software application. The most critical aspect is the mental process. Its categorization system forces you to reconsider every purchase. How can it help you save money? Kakeibo places a premium on your financial objectives. This strategy teaches you to save money gradually and sustainably over time. Additionally, it is intended for long-term financial planning. The 4 questions prompt you to consider your future objectives. As with any excellent budgeting method, it assists you in planning for the future while avoiding feelings of deprivation or worry in the now. Who is Kakeibo best for? Budgeters who are inconsistent. If you've previously struggled with budgeting, Kakeibo's simplicity and adaptability may be the answer. Budgeters who are fearful or hesitant. Kakeibo excels in dispelling the myth that someone is terrible with money. The strategy empowers consumers with greater control and confidence over their spending. Savers who are making their first investment. The Start Anywhere method recognizes even the most miniature savings objectives and encourages you to increase your savings along the way. Envelope budgeters. Kakeibo's categories are similar to the envelope budgeting system, in which monthly costs are planned in advance and predetermined amounts are distributed into actual or virtual envelopes. If you're a fan of envelope-style planning, you're likely to enjoy it. Numerous Kakeibo users indicate that they began to love saving money. If this strategy seems interesting to you, now is a perfect moment to grab a notebook and pen and get started. So, how else do you want to save your money? Please let me know in the comment section below. If you learned something new today, please like and share this video with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you do not miss more videos of Millionaire Mind. We will see you in the next video. Take care.